so I didn't have much idea on how to make a good one, but I tried. And I wanted to try something new, get out of my comfort zone, so I just gave it a shot. I really hope you guys will like it. Littlebox is a trendy fashion brand known for its stylish and contemporary clothing options. Littlebox aims to provide fashionable solutions that enhance personal style. Let me show it to you guys what they have sent me. Let's unbox it together. For now, I'll just open them one by one first, and will show you all the details of the dresses in the later part of the video. Let's start with the first dress, which is this high waistband with vest style top in white. It is a fashionable pick for a sleek and refined appearance. The bright white shades gives it a fresh and modern feel, making it suitable for a range of events from casual outings to formal gatherings. And the white top, it brings in elements of sophistication. Also, you can enhance it with bold accessories and can add a vibrant bag to introduce some color. And the material is good, so all in all, it's a stylish choice that effortlessly blends comfort and elegance. Next is this black pant. This is super comfortable and can easily be paired with different shirts and tops. Whether you are going for a casual look or something a bit dressier, they fit right in with any style. और आप खुद भी creative होकर different तरीके से style कर सकते हैं. Here I have layering it with a simple top for a cafe outing. It's great to have such a versatile piece in your wardrobe, I would say. Next is this square neck double layer short dress in white, which offers a perfect blend of simplicity and style. Material is a bit thin ऊपर वाला part में, but it's not a problem at all. You can accessorize it with some jewelry or a stylish handbag to elevate the outfit even further. Next is this gorgeous floral print summer dress, and I'm absolutely in love with it. This is perfect for the spring and summer seasons, bringing that vibrant and fresh vibe. Oh, I just can't miss the tie shoulder detail. It adds a fun and flirty touch to the dress. It looks so cute, making it perfect for summer outings. This dress is really comfortable and breezy. You can add cardigan for the cooler evenings also. Overall dress is a beautiful way to express your personal style while embracing the cheerful and lively aesthetic. And lastly, this summer elegant waisted dress. इसका जो puff sleeves or cinched waist है, it gives a flattering shape to the figure और dress का color भी solid है, तो इसके वजह से it can be easily accessorized and worn for different occasions like parties or casual outings. You can pair it with some stylish sandals and statement jewelry also. It would enhance the look even more. So to sum up, I would like to say I loved all the dresses. It's just that the material of the two white dresses is a bit thin, but it's manageable. So which dress did you like the most? And how would you style it for a specific occasion? I would love to know that. Bye bye, take care.